Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to go live on the RedNote app, and it's really easy and simple guys. First things first, of course, you got to go ahead and open up the RedNote app, and then what you got to do guys, come here at the bottom and click on this plus icon right here, okay? Now here you'll see a bunch of options. You can either upload things from your album, camera, or the last option here at the bottom right is live. Click on live. Now here guys, you can go live, so you just need to give access to your location. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. Now what you're going to do guys, once you click on this, you can add a icon basically for your profile to attract users. I'm going to put this is okay with me. Now you can add some text as well here. For example, whatever caption you want. And then basically, now if you come here and click on this emoji icon, you'll be able to do some face filters. There's a lot of filters you can go ahead and use. I'm not going to use any filters. And if you want to go live, all you need to do is click on this red button right here in the middle, and you will be going live as soon as you have your phone number verified. So I hope this video helped you out.